Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Apple Watch to a new iPhone without resetting it. First, make sure your old iPhone has a recent iCloud backup, as this is crucial for transferring your watch data. Next, update both your old iPhone and your Apple Watch to the very latest software version available. Finally, ensure both devices are fully charged and kept in close proximity to each other throughout the entire process to avoid any interruptions. Now, let's unpair your Apple Watch from your old iPhone. Open the Watch application on your old device. Tap on All Watches at the top left, then select the small eye icon next to the watch you wish to unpair. Choose Unpair Apple Watch and confirm your decision. This action automatically creates a fresh backup of your watch's data on your old iPhone, preserving all your settings and activity history for the transfer. With your watch unpaired, turn on your new iPhone and bring your Apple Watch close to it. Your new iPhone should display a prompt to set up the Apple Watch. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. When prompted, choose the option to restore from a backup, rather than setting up as a new watch. Select the most recent backup that was just created on your old iPhone to ensure all your data is transferred seamlessly to your new device. To finalize the setup, you may need to enter your Apple Watch passcode and complete any additional steps presented on your new iPhone. Once the pairing is complete, take a moment to verify that all your data, applications, and personalized settings have successfully transferred to your watch. You should see your activity history, watch faces, and installed apps all present. Congratulations, your Apple Watch is now seamlessly connected to your new iPhone, ready for use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.